Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. This video will teach you how to place a quick order. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service. Once you have logged in, you can click Order and Quick Order. You may enter in the IDCI item number or the UPC to proceed. I have entered the IDCI item number and pressed Enter. Here you can see that the item is green, which is in stock. I can adjust the item quantity and press Enter again, and a list will be created. As you can see here, all of these items were in stock. I can either clear the list, and it will ask me if I would like to clear the list. I can adjust the quantity here, or I can eliminate the item. If, for example, an item is out of stock, it will show red, meaning no stock. Once I am done with my quick order, I must make sure to add to basket. As you can see here, all of the items that I have placed in my quick order have now been added to my basket. We thank you for watching this instructional video and we hope it was helpful. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service.